Hello, welcome back to my class. Today I will talk about the second group of initials. It is aspirate voiceless. For this group, you need to have the air out when you pronounce the sound. So you need to have some energy to make the sound. Here, P, 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 T, 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 K, 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 KW, just like GW. You need to ready your small round lip shape first, and then you make the sound. When you make the sound, you need to move your lip shape to be a big round lip shape. So it is qua, qua, qua. And the last one is C. T, t, t. When you practice, you can put your hands in front of your mouth, and then you will feel the air when you make the sound. Alright, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.